Hi guys, if you want to charge your JBL PartyBox 320 properly and safely, it's very important for you to follow the right steps for better battery life and performance. So in today's video, I will show you how you can charge it correctly and how long it is gonna take. So first of all, always use the original power cable and adapter that comes with the speaker. Simply plug the cable into the power input port on the back of the speaker, and then you need to connect it to the wall outlet. Avoid using any low quality or incompatible chargers as they can affect charging speed and battery health. Once connected, charging should start immediately. Now you need to take a look at the battery indicator lights on the speaker. You will see the lights blinking or increasing step by step, which shows that the battery is now charging. If there is no fluctuation at all, you can check the power source or the cable connection. This confirms that your device is charging properly. Now, a full charge usually takes around 3 to 4 hours depending on the battery level. So it's best to let it reach 100% for maximum playback time. Avoid unplugging it too early if you want consistent performance. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.